Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This has been a Sigma from GSM Promit. In today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to transfer files from one iPhone or one iPad to the other using a software called MobiMover software. Now this is a very easy to use free tool that is available for both Windows and Mac OS, and it can help you to transfer not only your files, also it's compatible with data transfer between Android smartphones and PCs. It has a lot of quite impressive features that I'll cover in this video tutorial. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to this channel, kindly do me a favor and smash the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified anytime we upload a content like this. To download the MobiMover software that we are going to be using in this video, you want to go ahead and click the link in the description below to download the software. So once you're done with the download, you open the setup to install the tool, just like you can see in the video. So you follow the instructions that I'm showing in this video. Once the installation process is completed, just click on the Start Now button to launch the tool for the first time. By default, it will open the web browser, so you just close that. Alright, sure. So once the tool launches, this is how the user interface looks like. Let me first quickly explain some of the features of the tool before we start with the data transfer. So the first one is the phone to phone, which is what we are about to use. This feature can help you to transfer files between two phones. It can be iPhones or Android, but this is the feature we are going to be using in this video. And then the second one is phone to PC, which means transferring files from your phone to the laptop or the PC. And then the second one is PC to phone. That means the alternative feature of the second one. And then the third one, or the fourth one, sorry, is backup manager. It can help you to backup and restore data between your devices. And also we have the social app manager. It can help you to transfer backups and monitor and also some user data within your social media apps. Also we have video downloader. This feature can help you to download videos from these social media platforms like from YouTube, Facebook, and the rest. You just copy the link and paste there and click download. We have the H to JPEG converter. This can help you to convert files, that H file to JPEG. Also we have the video to MP3. This feature can also help you to convert your video to MP3. You understand? So you just click on the browse and then you browse to the directory where the video is located, and then you just import and convert it. Now let's head over to what we're here for, that is the phone to phone data transfer. So you just connect your two devices that you are going to transfer the files from. Now over here, before you click on the next button, we have a switch button in between the two phones. Now we have the source device, which is the device that has the data, and then the target device, the device that has no data. So you can click on the switch button to toggle between which one you want to be the source and then which one you want to be the target. Once you're okay with which of them you want to be the source and the target, let me just switch this right back. Okay, and then you go ahead and then click on the next button. Alright, sure. So these are some of the features that are going to be backed up. You can go ahead and check and uncheck the ones you don't want them to be backed up, or you don't want them to be transferred, sorry. So you have to tick the ones you want to transfer and the ones you don't want to transfer, and then go ahead and confirm your passcode. Now one thing you need to consider before you click on the data transfer is that you need to make sure that the device that is receiving the data, or the device you're transferring the data to, has Find My iPhone 10 off. You understand? You have to make sure that Find My iPhone is 10 off on the receiving device. And that's all. Depending on your device, the files that you are transferring, the size of the files, it may take a while or some time. You just need to sit and be patient. Do not interrupt with the connection, and then wait while the tool do its thing. Alright, so real quick, the transfer is completed, and by default the receiving device or the target device will automatically reboot, and it will be ready to be used with the files. Alright, sure. So real quick, we've successfully transferred the necessary files from our old iPhone to the new iPhone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.